Appreciate you tapping in though, my bro. You hear me? No cap. Let's go. Yeah. Hey. Oh, it's raining in Dallas. Bars. Everybody go holler at Alvin. Bars.
Late night feeling the summer breeze, smoking my weed. Niggas envy, I got bitches steady fighting over me. Kick back, smoking the loudest weed. I'm on a journey to the riches. I'm jumping over problems like they was fences. Late night feeling the summer breeze, smoking my weed. Niggas envy, I got bitches steady fighting over me. Kick back, smoking the loudest weed. I'm on a journey to the riches. I'm jumping over problems like they was fences. My whole city, the trenches. The trenches. Everybody a villain, thinking about if I'm going down, steady tripping. That's why I keep me a weapon. I gotta keep it. I'm surprised I'm not a felon. Big blunts, they always keep me settled. The weed be so exotic. Everybody be copping, no cuff, no love here. I be thugging, I do this shit for my youngin'. I love my youngin'. Blood, sweat, and tears, doing drills in the back seat was real. Listening to Chirac shit. Life is only a trap, so I spark me a doobie, release the stress. I'm coming in full effect. And no, I ain't holding back. Put that money and hungry shit right on my back. Late night feeling the summer breeze. Smoking my weed, niggas envy. I got bitches steady fighting over me. Kick back, smoking the loudest weed. I'm on a journey to the riches. I'm jumping over problems like they was fences. Late night feeling the summer breeze. Smoking my weed, niggas envy. I got bitches steady fighting over me. Kick back, smoking the loudest weed. I'm on a journey to the riches. I'm jumping over problems like they was fences.
ED, how you doing? Let's go. You hear me? The real ones tap in. Stop us, keep watching. Cause we not watching you. ED. That's how we doing it. You hear me? All the real ones tap in. You hear me? No cap. One-on-one, everybody say, I appreciate y'all. No cap. You hear me? Yeah, be your channel, be your cloud. You ain't playing. Bar, appreciate all. Oh, it's on now. 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 What it do, my bro? Bars.
You know, I ain't afraid to pull up, homie.
You hear me? We the real ones. You
The
hear me?
funny thing is, I was just getting ready to roll some too. He said it. I was like, well, shit, that would be fucked up if I didn't smoke with him because I was just getting ready to smoke. I'm like, oh,
Right
shit.
in time. You hear me? Right in time. You hear me?
I don't even know
Solo
why I was
dolo.
fucking with YouTube. I'm like, man, it always be how it be though. As soon as I get ready to try to roll up, I'll end up be scrolling on YouTube or something. See somebody live and be like, all right, let me watch this while I'm rolling. And then they try to
Nah, you
pull
ain't
me into
gotta
their
watch. We
damn
can
show.
pop on.
Then they like pull me into the damn show and I done forgot what I was doing. Like, well, think I was rolling.
Yeah.
Uh,
Networking. I'm just
hey,
oh my bad. Networking.
oh shit, you know, it's a 21 plus video on our channel, so
Bars.
they can't shut down my video. I monetize it
Man,
myself
what?
anyway.
Say
What?
we got we'll swap out on another channel. What they talking about?
Uh, the only thing they
What
gonna
they
be talking
say?
about is
Hey,
we
they
have age
always
restricted your content. I'm gonna be like, that ain't nothing new. I meant to do it myself. I don't,
when you hear bars, that's me.
I don't want to hear nothing about kids watching my shit because this ain't for kids unless they got a
You
medical
did.
card.
Checkmate. You did. We the best. No cap. We ain't even worried about you. You ain't changing nothing. You hear me? Y'all, hey, what they say, the kids come a dime a dozen.
Facts.
Next. Let's go. You ain't mine. I'm just being real. Let's go. We the best, y'all. Everybody be safe. You already know. We mind our business. You did.